Hey everybody, we are back at it. And so for this chapter 4 exercise, we are going to be displaying through criteria. And I'm going to be doing this through the payments. So to do this, I'm going to go over to our payment column and I'm going to press the arrow, the black bottom arrow. And I'm going to go over to this area over here and I'm going to press select all. By doing so, that deselects all of these options over here. And next, I'm going to just pick cash and e-wallet, and I'm going to press OK. And by doing this, this shows that this will only show the cash and the e-wallet payments. And next, we are going to get the average of the gross profit. To do that, we are going to go to this cell and we're going to press the little black down arrow and press average. And once we do that, we get our average of the gross profit. And now we're done.